everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 28th to the 4th of March 2022 on Monday. Zweli's jealousy flares as the bond between Lindiwe and the new mining mogul continue to grow, revealing cracks in the wall of their own relationship. Mabotho finds himself in hot water on Tuesday. Mabotho's friends and family discovers news that makes them worry. Zweli becomes increasingly uncomfortable when Mnqobi is concerned on Wednesday. Lindiwe eats crow while Mabotho gets into the fight of his life on Thursday. Lindiwe is determined to get what she wants while Andile and Paulina join forces to solve a mystery on Friday. Andile gets to the bottom of what has been happening and Lindiwe does the unthinkable. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.